What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to do a smoky halo eye. As always, I'm just prepping the eye first, and then I'm going to go in on the crease with a beige color. As always, a color close to my skin tone, just so it helps us blend out the darker colors. Here I'm going in with the khaki green color in the inner and outer part of the eye. That's what's going to create the halo effect. And just blending it out. This is not the darkest color yet. I'm going to go in with a dark teal color right here. There we are. And just following the same steps, inner and outer corners of the eyes. And not so much on the crease. Like, I kind of go in after the fact, not adding any more product in the crease, because it's not going to be a halo eye if you put too much on the crease. So mainly for the darker colors, like I said, inner and outer. And then on the bottom, I kind of just like clean it up with my finger because I still like to have like that cat eye lifted effect on my eyes. And I'm just repeating the same thing here. And I'm using the Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, by the way. And then for the center of the eyelid, I like to go in with a, ooh, bless me. I like to go in with a shimmer. This one has like a kind of like yellow shimmer to it. And I use my fingers because for some reason with these shimmers, they just, the payout is better with your fingers versus a brush. Doesn't really quite pick up the color as well as like my finger does. So, and then I brought that shimmer up to the crease, as you could see, and I'm just blending it out here, making sure there's no harsh lines because you can get harsh lines with a halo eye super easily. So you just want to blend. Here I'm just going in with a green eyeliner. I got these on Amazon. They're like super inexpensive and they're actually really good eyeliners. They have a decent amount of pigment and payoff, I guess is the word, when you use it. And then I just skipped right to eyebrows. I did my face off camera because I wanted the focus of this video to be the halo eye. So here I'm just doing my normal eyebrow routine. Again, with Anastasia Beverly Hills products, you can say that when it comes to eyeshadow and eyebrow products, that brand is my absolute favorite. It just never does me wrong, and it's been around for a while now. And then now I'm going in with the darker color first on the lower lash, and then we're gonna blend that. And then, you know, gradually go to the beige color that we started with, giving it like that ombre effect, so to say. The lower you go, the lighter the color should be. And then if you want, you can add the shimmer to the center of the lower lash as well. I believe I did, but you don't have to. It's just an option. And look what the difference does with mascara. Such a huge difference it makes. I don't even think I need lashes because the mascara is just doing it for me. Sometimes lashes, you just gotta be careful because it could cover up your work. So my lashes are pretty long. Sometimes I just like to go with no false lashes. And after you put your lippies on, that is it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.